So first of all, open your Google Chrome and search for Instagram, and then open the first link, which means the official Instagram, and search for a person who is already verified by Instagram, like Virat Kohli or Mortal or any big name, like anything. Now, like Virat Kohli has already got the blue tick. Now I'm searching for Mortal because he is my favorite gamer, and search for Mortal. Then uh, press Control plus Shift plus I, or you can just right click, and it will open this thing which is called console, and click on elements. Then click on the top right button, top left button, which will give you a thing, which will give you a thing to find the path of your blue tick. Then click on that, and you will see this option, and then copy the outer HTML. Click on now, open the new tab, and search for Instagram again. Click on it, and you will see your profile. Go to your profile, then we will do the same thing again. Right click and inspect, and then do the same thing. Go make it blue, top right thing, and uh, it will give your cursor ability to find your path, your name path, and then click on mm, edit as HTML, and then do some space, click space bar for 2 3 times, and then paste X path which way you have copied. And then, as you can see, I have got blue tick now, but there is a problem. You can see IG Mortal has a space between his name and blue tick. So click on the blue tick again, and then click on the next thing, which is division of between the name and the blue tick. Copy that as well, copy the outer HTML, and then go to your uh, profile, and then find your name, find the blue tick, and then click on the three buttons, and then click on edit as HTML, space again for 2 3 times, and paste it. Now this will give you two blue ticks, which is amazing, but you have to remove the first one. You have to remove the first one, not the second one. So to remove it, go to the first one, as you can see, first one, and then click on the three buttons and delete. Click on delete element. It will remove the first one, which has not space, and the second one has space between name and blue tick. So you can see, you can do it. Hooray!